So hello everyone, welcome to my channel which is CGXIN. So today we'll be learning about how you can do the port forwarding with SSH. So sometimes you might have heard of, let's say you are trying to access any of the service on a remote server, but you are not able to directly log into that particular server, but from some other node you are able to access that particular service. So but how you can fix this kind of a problem? So to answer that, you can use the advantage of port forwarding. So let's say if you have a node A and you are able to SSH node B, okay, but node B has the access to SSH node C. So node C is the target server on which you want to SSH, but from node A it's not possible. So with the port forwarding we can achieve that. So how we can do it, we'll be discussing and we'll be learning about on our screen. So let's jump to the screen and let's see how you can do it. So here we have three nodes. We have worker 1, we have worker 2, and we have worker 3 node. And so if I'm trying to SSH worker 3 node from worker 1, I'm getting connection refused error. So that is because the worker 3 node has the firewall rule which is not allowing me to SSH directly from worker 1 node with the IP which is 1.21. and if I check on worker 3 node, the firewall rules so here it says it has got a rich rule which says that 1.21 is not allowed. Okay, try to SSH worker 2. I'm able to access that service, SSH service. But how we can fix this problem with worker 3 node, where the firewall rules are not allowing me to SSH directly? So we can fix this problem with the help of port forwarding, and this time we'll be doing the port forwarding with the help of SSH service. So for that, what you have to do is you just have to type the command which is SSH. L stands for local port forwarding, and you have to use any of the unused port. So let's say 3026 and your target node. So in our case it is worker 3, and the node on which you have the access. So for that it is port number 22. Look up, you are using -N, and the node on which you have the access, okay, so that is worker 2. So now I'll be doing the local port forwarding, and this should work. So let's open a new session. Just have to make some small adjustment, like instead of mentioning worker 3, instead of that we have to just type localhost and specify the port on which you want to do the SSH. So in this case it is 3026 port number. So seems it is working, and let's enter the password. So here we have the access to worker 3 node. So this time we are trying to SSH from worker 1 node to directly to worker 3 node with the help of port forwarding, and this is working perfectly. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe to my channel which is CGXIN, and if you have any question please comment it out. Thank you.